Hi, today we are going to show you how to register classes. First, we go to our school website, which is illinois.edu here, and then we just go. And you can put your mouse on the academics button, but you don't click it. And now we go to register for classes. You click it, and here you can choose the semester that you want to register for. For this semester, it will be for 2016. Now you hit the student self-service button. And now here we're at the main page of login. We are the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, which is this one, and we click it. And now you can log in with your net ID and password. So I'm gonna use mine to show you how to do it. Okay, then we log in. And here is the main page of the student self-service system. You can change your personal information, request for financial aid, and pay your bill. They're all in here. And now we're gonna go to registration and record, which is here. We click it. And here's the main page for registration and record. You can also request your transcripts and see your scores at here and look for courses using Campus Course Explorer. And now we go to registration. We hit it. Okay. So from here, you can look at your student schedule in detail or concise or week at a glance. And you can, so now we're gonna register courses. First, I will show you how to do it with lookup or select classes. We go to this one, I agree to the above statement, and you can choose the term, which is for 2016, and we submit the request. Okay, so now for example, I want to register a math class. Let's see how we can do it. So, sorry, you can, so we go to mathematics, you just choose this one in the subject column and you hit course search, which is here. And now let's go to Calc 1, for example, calculus. Okay, so now we are in the calculus section. So there's one thing that we need to remind you is you need to choose 1 for AL1 because it stands for lecture. AL stands for lecture here, and you can see AL1, AL2, AL3, which is 3 different lecture. Then they are all 5 credit hours, and here's the time of it, and here's the student that it will be in this class. For example, let's just do AL1, which is MWF stands for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. TRT stands for Tuesday, R stands for Thursday. So let's just do AL1. And be careful, if you select this class, you'll find out that you actually cannot register for this class because for math class and for most of the physics and chemistry and other like social science class, each lecture will be paired up with a discussion section, which is LA1, and we can see here is ADU. So D stands for discussion section. So for this class, you have 3 lectures and you need to take 2 discussion sections a week. So you choose a lecture and then you need to choose the time for discussion. For example, I will do ADF, which is Tuesday and Thursday, 1 p.m. to 1:50 p.m. Now you have select the lecture and the discussion section, and you can just hit register to register your classes. Here you can hit register. Okay, because my credits is really full, I can register this class, and now I will show you how to register for our class, which is LAS 199. So we go to lookup or select classes, agree with the above statement. We goes to for 2016. So now we're looking for liberal arts and science. Then we can click course search. So we are LAS 199. You just hit view sections and you can see our classes. Our instructor is dear Professor Nicole Lammers. And as I remind you early, we have a lecture, LL1, and we have discussion section, which is LD4, LD1 to LD4. For example, you hit LL1 and LD4, okay? And then we go to register. Okay, because for me, I already have 17 credits hour, and the maximum I can register is 18. So you can see here, it will says arrows because maximum hours exceed, so I just cannot register. However, if you have enough credit hours to register, all of your classes will be shown above, like here. Like see, I have registered Dance 101, and these are my current schedule. So now I'm gonna show you the second way to register classes. You go to registration again. Now this time we go to add drop classes. We hit this button, also agree the above statement, and now we are in this page. So this is where we've been before. So here are all the courses that you've selected. And if you just decide, no, I don't want to take Dance 105, you can hit this column, action. You can hit this, and you can hit web drop course. If you hit this one, and then you hit submit changes, now this course will be dropped. Okay, I want this class. And now we can see here's a column named add classes worksheet. So what is the CRN? So if you look at here will be your CRN. And for example, you haven't registered this class, which is staff 425. The CRN is 62207. You can just type the number here, 62207, and you hit submit changes. And then if the class is available for register, and it will just show up in here.